Good morning. Thank you for coming today. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, and thank you for inviting me. My name is Sarah. I recently graduated from university, and I have experience in customer service. I enjoy communicating with people, solving problems, and creating a positive experience for customers. I believe my friendly personality and organizational skills make me a good fit for a receptionist position.
Why are you interested in this position?
I enjoy helping people and being the first person customers meet. I like working in a professional environment where I can communicate with different people every day. I also want to improve my communication and administrative skills while contributing to the company's success.
What do you know about our company?
I researched your company before coming today. I know that your company values excellent customer service and has a strong reputation in the industry. I admire your commitment to professionalism and customer satisfaction, and I would be proud to become part of your team.
What are your greatest strengths?
One of my strengths is communication. I stay calm under pressure and enjoy helping customers. I am also organized, punctual, and a quick learner. I pay close attention to details and always try to complete my work accurately.
Can you tell me about one of your weaknesses?
Sometimes I spend extra time checking my work because I want everything to be accurate. However, I have learned to manage my time better so I can maintain both quality and efficiency.
Imagine a customer is upset about a long waiting time. What would you do?
First, I would remain calm and listen carefully without interrupting. I would apologize for the inconvenience, show empathy, and explain the situation politely. Then I would try my best to offer a solution or ask the appropriate colleague for assistance if necessary.
Receptionists are often busy. How do you handle pressure?
I stay organized by prioritizing tasks and remaining focused. I try not to panic when things become busy. Instead, I work step by step while maintaining a positive attitude and providing good customer service.
Why do you think you are the right person for this job?
I am friendly, responsible, and eager to learn. I communicate well with people and always try to provide excellent customer service. I believe I can represent the company professionally and contribute positively to the team.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, thank you. Could you please tell me about the training program for new employees?
We provide training during the first 2 weeks.
That sounds great. Thank you very much for your time and for answering my questions. I look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you for coming today. We appreciate your time and will contact you soon regarding the interview results. Good morning. Thank you for coming today. Could you please introduce yourself? Why are you interested in this position? What do you know about our company? What are your greatest strengths? Can you tell me about one of your weaknesses? Receptionists are often busy. How do you handle pressure? Why do you think you are the right person for this job? Do you have any questions for me? We provide training during the first 2 weeks. Thank you for coming today. We appreciate your time and will contact you soon regarding the interview results.